Hey, what's up YouTubers? I'm here with the motion sensing screwdriver from Black & Decker. It's got the gyro. I believe it's $39 at Lowe's or any other of those type of stores. This is pretty much everything you get when you get the drill. You get your instruction manual, product registration, charger, just a wall charger, and the drill. And you also get a Phillips bit. This here is a flathead. The bits just slide in and out like that, and there's a magnet in there that kind of keeps them in better. Yeah. So there's an LED on the front. It's actually pretty bright. You can't tell too well in here since it's bright out. So this is how it works. You push down on this button here, barely turn, it barely turns. Keep turning your hand, the faster it gets. Go the other way to reverse it. So it doesn't matter what angle you're at. You could be upside down, just barely push that button, just push that button, turn your hand. You don't have to have it straight up like that for the gyro to work. You can do it sideways at all. All you do is just barely move your hand like that and it spins. I haven't really used it yet, so I can't really tell you how awesome it is. But what I can tell you is that it's a 4-volt and it does have a low battery indicator. When the battery reaches when it's low, the LED will blink rapidly. It also has a high temperature indicator. When the over temperature protection kicks on, it will shut off and the LED will flash in a long short pattern. And all that's in the manual here. You want to make sure to read that. The first time you charge it, you want to charge it for at least 16 hours. And out of the box, that's pretty much it for the Black & Decker gyro screwdriver. I'm pretty excited to use it. It seems like it would be pretty good for hobbies and things like that. So let me check something out here. Alright, so here I am with one of my RC cars. I've got the Phillips bit in there. Pop it in there. Just like that. Very easy to use. So that's how it works. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and thanks for watching.